Hello everyone, this is Pankaj and you are watching Pankaj Choudhary, and this is the unboxing of Canon 1300D. I've got the single lens variant which is 18 to 55 mm. So and I have ordered from Amazon. So here is what an box look like. So here you have got an EOS bag and entry level bag which is complementary with this camera. The texture is nice and it has an EOS branding and a buckle with a velcro shape and a red and black bag. Good bag. Let's keep it at side and look at the main camera. So this is the Canon EOS 1300D and it is already opened because I have checked it before. So but the contents are all same. So here you open the box and here you have got a camera manual. So it's a black and white big manual, and here I have got some pamphlets of Canon, and also I have got an warranty card which also gives the serial number and all that information. So further going into box, here you have got a Canon strap, Canon and EOS branded strap. Then you have got the charging cable for the charging brick. Then you have got a mini USB cable to connect it to the computer, and here is the battery. It's an 860 mAh battery, Canon branded. You can see the information. Then you have got the charging brick, and also here you have the 16 GB SanDisk memory card which is also complementary with this camera. It's a SanDisk class 10 memory card. And going further, you have got the 18 to 55 mm Canon IS lens. It is nicely wrapped in bubble wrap and this paper cloth kind of thing. So here is the lens, a good lens, an entry level lens. Here you can see 18 to 55 mm. Got the lens cap on, and then the final thing which you are most awaited. This is the Canon 1300D body. So here is the body, a very compact size body. You have got um, great. You have got the screen and all the controls and tripod mounts and everything. So let's see how to set up this camera. So here I am. Here is the camera. So at the bottom you have got a flap. To just open this flap and get the battery, and the Canon branding should face the screen and the connectors down, and simply just push the battery in and you will hear a click. Then get the memory card or the SD card. So this is all the same, connectors facing down, branding facing to the logo screen, and just close the flap. Now it has got all the things. Now just turn the lens anti-clockwise, the lens cap, and open the lens cap on both. Then there will be a white dot on the lens and on the body. Match those white dot and rotate the lens clockwise and you will hear a click. So this is, the lens is now fixed. Remove the cap and it is all ready to go. So I have just turned it on and the camera is all ready. I will take a few shots and show you how it do. So here I'm having the lens cap, Let's get in photo.